Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So as you can see, we are social distancing and we have our masks on. We wish this wasn't the case, but we want to be safe, so at this point in time, this is what we are doing. So today, Crystal has a recipe for you. It is called Peanut Butter Cocoa Bake. So what should we do first, Crystal?
Hi guys, well I lost a bet with Renee a little bit ago, so I have to do a recipe with peanut butter, so here we go. You see those Cocoa Krispies?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to take half of those.
Half of those and put it into our casserole dish.
Yep.
And we have our casserole dish nice and greased here.
And we'll be right back after we do that.
Alright, so the Cocoa Krispies are in. What should we do next, Crystal?
Okay, you see those marshmallows?
Yep.
Courtesy of Mommy. Oh, and she also bought the Cocoa Krispies, so thank you very much, Mommy.
Alright, we have our marshmallows here.
Half of those.
Half of those into our dish. Alright, marshmallows in. Our oven dinged, so that is ready for us at 375 when we are ready for it. In the meantime, what is next, Crystal?
We have the Cocoa Krispies and the marshmallows.
Yep.
So the next is Bearded's favorite, the peanut butter. So half of that jar goes there.
Alright. Here is our peanut butter. We have got some Jif extra crunchy peanut butter today, but whatever is your preference.
And half of that.
Alright, peanut butter is on. What is next?
Chocolate chips, baby.
Chocolate chips. Oh yeah. We have, Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels today.
That's the only kind my mom buys. So.
And they are good.
Yes.
Alright, the chocolate chips are on and this is looking so yummy. Can't wait to try it. Are we ready for the oven, Crystal?
Yes, and actually, Renee will be taking most of it home, but I promised I would save one piece for my mommy.
Okay. So we have our 375-degree oven. How long should we put it in?
We need to put it in for exactly 25 minutes. I would say 15 with the lid on and 10 with the lid off.
Okay. Alright, so it is done. Everything looks all melty and gooey and yummy. I can't wait to give this a try. I've got a piece cut right here. It looks so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll give this recipe a try for yourself. Leave us a comment, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And we will see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.